drawn this. Now again, you don't need to draw it exactly like this. You can definitely add your features to it, add your designs. You want to make it identifiable as being your own unique design. We have to ensure that it is saved. So this is going to be my base design. And once that is saved, we can look at going File, Export, and make sure it's selected as an STL file. We're going to export that. Now that's complete. We're going to open up Idea Maker. We're going to tell it that we're after a new project. We're going to import a model. The base design comes across. There it is. And there's our features of it. Now again, we checked before, 2mm layer height, the shell, the infill. A lot of this should come standard with what you've got. We don't need to do too many modifications there. And when we tell it to slice, it's telling us here that this is a 40-minute print. So we have a few of these to get done. That's going to take a while. If we then look at, if you're running out of time, and we look at making this a 3.3 of a millimeter, when we slice that, it's down to 31. If we then have a very, very crude 1/2 a millimeter step, won't look the best. That's a 23-minute print. But again, that's quite a rough print. So the suggested size is to be 2. Went too far. So again, it's a 37-minute print. We then have our, again, if you're at school, you'll put USB in, export to local disk, or we can export to your home, your hard drive now. You have to make sure you have your name in there, so we know whose is whose. You may even put your teacher. When you save that, you can then upload that to the Google Drive also.